Ay, 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 ugayam, galayaman, ugayam, galayaman. Hanakan nandat dato, taim kanigan ganason, di kultura ang dilubong ugayam.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to live this out. We got this one, don't know why. I see danger in us. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it
Hey yo, what is up? It's your boy, Dji Boy, and we're here na sa Guimaras. I'm with the one and only.
Hihina ako.
Gonna ride this trike.
Napunta nga kami ngayon sa tinatawag silang Kalingaw.
So let Z talk because I don't know where we're going.
Punta doon, it's either mag-bike kayo o mag-tricycle kayo.
So we're currently here in Calingao, specifically in Heroes Park, in front of Buena Vista Town Hall. Ito nga pala yung tinatawag nilang paspas jeepney. Ito yung gagamitin namin para ikutin yung buong Guimaras. Now we're on our way to Navalas Church, which is the second oldest church in the Philippines.
A few inches later.
We're almost there, but before that, make sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel as well as Zfarer TV and these two Instagrammers. So this is the church. We are here back in Buena Vista Wharf. Ano to?
Nasogdan ako sa pato.
Goodbye!
Kayang tanggapin na mawawala ka na sa
Ganda ng sapatos, oh!
Gulat ako lang.
Nahulog yung sapatos yan kasi kaka-picture tsaka kaka-video. Kuya, tulong!
Hindi ba? Nabiga ba, Alex? Kasi no. Kasi pumunta nga kasi guys. Tingnan nyo yung sapatos yan, nandun na. Yan, pasalamat ka. Pasalamat ka.
May blessing, may blessing!
na dumating. Salamat po. So ano masasabi mo po?
And, ha?
Bakit talaga, ikaw yung ano dito yung
Thank you,
handa?
guys.
Hindi mo alam?
Save my shoe.
Buti na lang may kukuha.
So si Zina nag-take over ng vlog, no?
Ay, sa'yo pala.
Okay lang.
So kukunin ko tong vlog na to.
A few moments later.
Hindi naman
For galleon making, guys.
Nung nakarating kami sa Guimaras Model Galleon Making Association, nakilala namin si Lolo Benito. His family is the pioneer of this business. Galleon making turns out to be one of the major livelihood in Rizal, Guimaras. At marami na ring nagbago ang buhay dahil dito. Pagkatapos ng visit na to, we went to Macnister to taste some mango-based products. From ketchup to dried mangoes to juices and more. After that, we went to the wind turbines. Nagmuni-muni lang ng konti, tapos pumunta sa one of the peaceful resort in Guimaras, which is the Nature's Trail Camp and Resort. After a few moments of strolling and relaxing, umuwi na po kami para mag-rest for another big day. Yo! Day 1!
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. Ba't ganyan mukha mo?
안녕하세요. 네, 다시 나와라 뭉크. 다시 나와라. 네, 모델 맞지 말겠어. 에이, tingnan mo hindi ko tsaka eh.
Pabalik namin sa Benavista, the squad went straight to the other side of Guimaras, which is Hordan. Bumisita kami sa wharf ng Hordan, tas tumiretso sa smallest plaza. Then we went straight to Consolers of the Immaculate Heart of Mary Church, Guimaras Trade Information Center, Mango BPI, Trappist, and what excites me the most ay yung beach. Though we're not aware na mag-island hopping pala, pero sige lang, game pa rin.
So, kukunin ko tong vlog na to. We're going to Raymond. Christmas na Christmas yung song.
Put your hands in there.
Okay, everybody. Ang nagsindi nitong ilaw. Dahil ikaw bro, dahil ikaw bro, ang star ng Pasko! Yan!
Eventually.
Chong TV! So yun nga po, no? Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Raymond Beach. Anong niya? Raymond Beach Resort Corporation. Raymond Beach Resort Corp. At ihing-ihi na po ako, mga kaibigan.
Aba, malala ko
Magsiswimming.
briefin ah. Aba ba, malala lang ah.
Ate, magsiswimming. Swimming. Wala ko brief. Wala ko brief. Wala ko brief.
And we don't have extra clothes. Maliligo kami ng walang extra damit.
Akala ko magpuputoshoot lang eh. Liligo.
Oo, liligo.
So we're going island hopping dito sa Raymond's. Sana si Miss Millennial. Miss Millennial! Guys, ready na ba kayo malunod?
Yes!
Wala man nag-focus, bitch man.
Muna uno, ha?
Ayan. So ayan na nga po, nakafocus na tayo. Kanina wala pa tayong focus sa mind.
Bruh!
Diyan po tayo mag-island hopping. Bakit tayo mag-island hopping? Anong rason? Anong rason bakit tayo
Ako
mag-island?
na guro nga muna sa no? Walang focus, no?
Ay, kung alam ko na bakit ang gaganyan ka, parang yung focus, may focus sa iyo ng maayos. Ano? Kong.
Tong 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 pakitong kitong alimango sa dagat.
Kung naririnig mo man to, Kong. Ito kung alam mo naman fan na fan ka ng kaibigan ko.
Yeah,
Kong.
idol po kayo. Idol po. I really had fun during the island hopping. I guess sa sobrang enjoy ko, di na ako nakapag-record. And siguro, I'll just leave you the curiosity kung kaano nga ba kaganda at kaakit-akit ang Guimaras. Bago matapos tong video, here's a short message from Miss Millennial Guimaras 2018.
So ayun po, maraming salamat sa pagsama po sa pagbisita sa Guimaras. Naway nag-enjoy po kayo.